Hi Year 8, welcome to your video tutorial on using spreadsheets. We're going to start with question 1. Question 1 says, Kevin decided he needed some new clothes for his outfit and sees that general pants are having on sale. The discount is 5% off all stock in store. He purchases a select amount of items at their original price. So, we've got four items listed, some jeans, a t-shirt, a singlet and a pair of shoes. Question A asks you to copy and complete the spreadsheet using the information given above. And they've actually showed you what they want you to put in column A, column B, column C, column D, then rows 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now Excel works on grid coordinates. So we have our columns on the horizontal axis. They follow the numbers of the alphabet. On our vertical axis here we have numbers from 1 to, it actually goes up to about 22,000. When you're given a grid coordinate, you reference your cells. You reference your cells by the grid coordinates. So, this cell here is cell B3. This cell here is cell D1. It's really important if you get told to put information in certain cells that you do that, guys. Don't just be starting anywhere. So, we're told to start at cell A1. Type in item, price, discount, sale price. Really straightforward. Okay, then we're told to put in the following items: Lee jeans, t-shirt, singlet, and a pair of Nikes. Okay, then we need to put in the original prices for these items. Really important at this point, guys, don't be putting in the dollar signs. Dollar signs are not needed. I'll show you later how to format and actually get the dollar signs to appear. So $210 is the first price, $88.10 is the next, $20.45, and then $325 for the original prices. Now the discount is 5%. You guys should all recognize 5% as being 5 over 100 and also 0.05. 5%, 5 over 100, 0.05 are all different representations of this 5% value. So to work out our discount, instead of working out what 5% of $210 is, because we've typed in 210 into that cell, we can actually just refer to that cell rather than hard coding, and I'll show you the benefits that will have in a minute. So to work out 5% of $210, we first use our equals key, hit on that cell, so cell B2, times by 0.05 or 5%. So 5% of $210 is $10.50. Now because we didn't hard code that $210 in and we instead just referred to the cell, we can actually use a fill down command. Now what this fill down command will do is it'll apply the same formula just to the next row. So you'll notice I hover my cursor over here, my cursor changes from being a white cross to a black cross. I click and hold down, don't let go, click and hold down on my left key on my trackpad, let go, and I've actually just filled down that formula. So you'll notice when it goes down to the next cell, the first cell I referenced was B2, when I use the fill down command it'll go down to the next relevant row. So it's gone B3, B4, B5, and it's applied that same formula by multiplying that price by 5% to work out what 5% of that original price was. So logically, guys, the next thing we need to do and work out is the sales price. If the original price was $210 and the discount was $10.50, again, the sale price will be the price minus the discount. Instead of hard coding that again, guys, we use the cell reference. So price, subtract, discount. So I've done equals. Whenever I want to perform an operation, I always preface the cell with an equals. B2, subtract, C2, enter. Again, because I've referred to the cells and not hard-coded it, I can use the fill down command. Pretty straightforward. So we've got price, discount, and sales price. Problem at the moment, these are all dollar values. They don't have a dollar sign in front of them. Some of them have 3 decimal points. We wouldn't talk about a discount being $1 and 0.0225 cents. It's just not a common way we refer to currency. So, quick way to fix this, guys. Select all the cells. So I've done that by starting in the far right hand corner. Click and hold, don't let go, and select all the cells. Go up here to number, change it to currency. Automatically what this does, it applies a dollar sign and 2 decimal places because that's the standard with currency. So $, 2 decimal places. Now it hasn't asked us for any particular formatting, but I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to make this top here bold just to make it look nice. I'm also going to center it. Tends to look a little bit better when we center it, and I'm going to center the dollar values. Now guys, how I've done that is I've just gone up here to the ribbon. All up here is all the formatting that's relevant for you. Text, bold, underline, bold, italics or underlined, how to make a border, how to change it to capitals or not how to make the font smaller or larger just by decreasing or increasing rather than going and having to select a size. You can also just increase or decrease based on appearance. I can have them aligned to the right, aligned to the left, or aligned in center. Okay, and that's it. That's the first question, all done and dusted.